Ford, Chevy, and Dodge almost all lined up right here. God bless America. Look at that truck, man. It's not a Cummins, but still pretty cool. Unfortunately, I don't think that extremely lifted OBS Ford is here, but there is still some cool trucks. See if they have the Nissan Cummins back here. Oh, look at that second gen Cummins, man. So that's actually the coolest vehicle here, probably. Oh, look at that Ford. Damn, that is actually pretty cool. Some of that Ford, man. Cummins, bitch. 4x4 off-road. Yo, there's a lot of cool stuff back here. Lifted D-Max. Oh, look at that. Gotta love this truck whips, bro. If I ever would buy this one for whatever reason, I don't know, I'd have to have a horrible reason to buy a Nissan Cummins, but there we go, 5.0 V8, because it's not like it's the 5.9 or 6.7. And they haven't been out for a while. Let's see how much they want. 46. See, it's actually a pretty affordable truck, and that's why people are going to buy them, because they're a lot more cheaper than the competitors, especially with the Ram Cummins being, I don't know, what is it, 65,000 for a new one. It gets spec'd out, it's going to be over like 70, 80,000, probably somewhere around there. And this is actually a brand new one. I mean, it is the work truck one, so, but still, leather interior. Look, at the back. Front is cloth, so it's cloth and leather. No touchscreen on a 2017 truck. Wow. Let's see what it looks like under here. Got a solid axle in the back. Check that out, bro. Let's see. Nope, not open, but interior looks all right, I guess. It kind of does look a bit outdated by about 5 years, even though this is 2017. I do like the blacked out bumpers though. That is the option I would choose. See, we got a nicer one over here. Nicer, as people would say. I'd consider the one over there nicer. Let's see how much they want. 50,000. And this one's probably more spec'd out than the other one. So yeah, there you go. That's what you're getting for a Nissan Titan Cummins. You know what I need to get? I need to get a chest mount for this bike, and then I need to get a suction mount for the side of my truck. Ram Cummins, man, look at that. 35-12.5, pretty sick. We're now at Ford. Oh yeah, here is what I wanted to take a look at, and these are the new 2018s actually. 2018s, I love that gray. And then we got a Ford right here. Hoping it's a little bit quieter back here because the road is right down there. I don't know about the front end. Just look at that front end. I'm not sure if I really like that. I honestly like the 17 better, I think. At least this grille looks better. I like that. I don't, too much chrome on that. This looks okay, but I feel like where the trucks are going, especially with a Chevy looking like exactly like a Colorado, I don't think it's going where I want it to go. I don't know if it's because I'm getting so used to what I like, and then I'm just not liking the innovation and the changes that they're making. Here we go, we got the EcoBoost right here, 34,000. I don't know, I still feel like they lack the interior of these Mustangs. I still feel like they need to do a lot more. The front end and the look looks good. The spoiler, look at those lights. They really got it good on the outside, but the inside is what they need to update. I think they're trying to save money there. I'm assuming that's what they're doing. Let's see what they want. 44,000. Took the truck interior and put in a Mustang, it would be golden. This is probably more of a, well, this is a platinum. Looks nice in there as well. So yeah, that's your little update on the Ford. But let's check out this heavy duty down here. So we got a gas, and then we got a Power Stroke. And yes, they are single cabs, so they're base model work trucks, but still, they look amazing to me. How small are these rims? These look pretty small. 17s. Huh. I thought they would be 16s, but they don't do that anymore. Look at that coated frame, man. It looks so beautiful. Oh, the truck could look ugly and dented, but if the frame looks like that, I'm a buyer. 6.7 Power Stroke badging. Looks pretty good. Guess you're gonna have to hop up because there's nothing there. But look at the clearance of this truck. There's a regular car clearance. There's the truck, basically the same thing. Look at the clearance that these trucks have. Here's my leg. That is ridiculous. That is probably higher than my truck stock. Well, that's probably higher than my Silverado. It's just ridiculous on how high these trucks sit. It's just amazing. I love it. I love the huge well. I love how high it sits. So nice. Just a basic work truck, and I'd still say that looks a, well, actually that is the Mustang. Why do they have buttons for calling? This is a Mustang interior, but the outside, they outdid themselves on all the new model vehicles for Ford. The insides need updated though. Like, I don't mind this. I don't mind the extreme amount of plastic, black plastic, because you can just replace it if you beat it up. Perfect. Here's the build. Here is the build I'd get. But I'd want extended cab. Let's see, $50,000, not too bad. Come pick it up, guys. All right, enough messing around. Let's get to the Chevy dealer. Yeah, they got all the dealers lined up down here. It's great. Check out that RS. I know some of you guys would love that. So yeah, we're heading down now. Should be there pretty soon. Enough with the nonsense here. Look at that red in the sun. Looks like they even waxed the frame on it. That is nice, dude. Gosh, I love that color on it, dude. The frame is just perfect looking. No, it's a 6.0 V8. So yeah, this is not a diesel at all, and that is why it's comparable pricing for what you're getting. You got the 4-door, nice color. Got the chrome wheels. People pay more for that kind of stuff. Gotta love that, dude. I love these, man. They should have kept this. I hope they keep this for 2019, because honestly, this looks a lot better than the Colorado 1500 that they basically came out with. I love the brown. I love the white. They all look good here. Gosh dang it, man. I think this one, no. I don't know if any of them are actually a Duramax. Look at that. It's still here, guys. 2015 manual Cummins. Gosh dang it, man. That thing is so nice. It's a little banged up, but I mean, come on. It's a Cummins, bro. Alright, so let's check this out. So it's 35.12.5. We've already been over that. But here's the golden. See that 135R246? It's a manual, bro. Gosh, man, that looks so good. I definitely want this truck. It has a little bit of stance, if you can see that. A little bit, probably about an inch, maybe a half an inch. But this is such a nice truck, man. Bumpers are blacked already. Got the cab lights on the top. Love the fuel rims on this. Thing is sick, bro. If anyone is in the area and they need a Cummins, definitely pick this one up. This one is so nice. Blacked out GMC, gonna grab a bite to eat, and then we'll pick up the Sylv. And there she blows, man. How could I have missed her? I actually passed her on the way here. There's the stock height versus mine. Big differences. Maintenance stuff done that had to be done. I don't have the time. I could do it myself. I don't have the time. And gotta keep doing these mods, you know what I mean? So, alright. And she's washed up. Look how clean she looks. That's probably why I didn't recognize her. Look at that. Before I leave the dealership here, I gotta check out this Duramax. You guys think I could ignore it? Look at that. Holy crap, man. Oh my gosh, those wheels are huge. You got there 30, 35, 22s. So that's 35 22s. This is what I'm thinking about going with the Ram, but I'm not really sure. Loving them rims. It's the old Street Speed rims, if you guys remember that. Cognito lift kit, new Duramax badging. Gotta love that. Paint matched mirrors, bodybuilder. All right, so it looks like it's got a upgraded touchscreen. Look at this. Oh yes. And they even built the stacks into the bed so you could actually still put stuff in here. That's a genius idea. Honestly, if you guys are gonna get stacks, definitely do that. So I'll take the flares off, you know, they cover dirt. But damn, this truck is so sick. Honestly, it is a little rusty under there, but it's not that bad. They still have the random stock spare tire for whatever reason. I'd take that out, it causes rust. But still, this is amazing, dude. Gotta love where it says fuel on the... I actually do like that, honestly. Just a touch of color on the rims, that's actually really cool. But those stacks, man, black stacks, that's the style I'd be going for if I got stacks on the Ram Cummins. Northeast Auto Works, guys, shout out. Holy crap, this thing is sick. That looks so good, guys. just the heavy duty front end. I mean, my front end is blacked out, but it looks nothing like this. Oh, it looks so good. Honestly, that looks so good. 35 to 22 inch rims, that's perfect. Gosh, that looks so good. Let me know if I should get stacks, and this is probably the setup I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna go probably with a little wider of rims. Yeah, I think I'd have to go wider than that. I'm not really sure what the width of those are. I don't think they're -44, correct me if I'm wrong. They do have some lip to them.
Service 01, please. Service 01.
But it may just be a -20, 22 to 25, I'm not really sure, because I don't know, they don't stick out that much. But then again, those flares really throw it off. But gosh, man, that looks so good. That looks so good. Just look at that truck. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, enough horsing around.